What is up, guys? So today we are just I have this board right here. And I have this Space Star board that I got for Christmas last year, and it came with these darts. By the way, they can attach. Watch. Oh, okay. You cannot throw that hard because it'll bounce off. Hold on, see if I can make it. See, they stick, and I got, I would say nothing, because if it lands on a line, that does not count as a point. See, yes, I'm terrible, but don't look at the mess. It's terrible. Let me know if I make this. Make it? Oh, cool. I did not make that. It's like, we are not playing darts. I'm just showing you about it. Oh, come on. Okay, so as you can tell, my room, yeah, I'm gonna blur the window out. See, look my room. This is my room. From underneath my bed. From there all the way over there. Yes, my room's a mess. And over here. Yes, I got Paw Patrol tree. Yeah, yeah, you want to hear this, boy? Yes, it sounds perfect. Yeah, I was trying to do a perfect sound, but mine went with this. Perfect. And as you can tell, a lot of my stuff is up here. Yeah, this was from my friend's dad, Jordan. Yes. That's from last Christmas. It was a sports book. I destroyed it, by the way. I took the wheels off and bumper. Or I have another one, but way bigger. It's supposed to have the Nike sign. I'll show you. Oh, back thing fell off, and I'm looking for that. See, that's what it looks like so far. Right now, I just need to add one more piece to it right now. Okay, so let me add it. There we go. I added the spoiler because okay, there we go. So it's supposed to be a sports car with the Nike sign. If you flip it, oh, sorry guys. It has the Nike sign. Come on, it upside down. And wait, hold up. Let me take the piece off. Yes, this is the piece of McLaren. And yeah, this is crazy. Oh yeah, here's my pile of cars. my brother's Papa Pig dollhouse. Oh. Oh. Yeah, so this is my brother's. Good look. Oh. Can't grab it. No scratches. Look at this. It makes an annoying sound. And look, Cocomelon. Guys, this is farther on camera than in person. Trust me. Okay, let me zoom in. There we go. Because right now I am holding the camera so weird. And I guess I don't have a mirror. You think I'm rich? Yeah, that's good, guys. This is my only mirror in the house, in my room. Yeah, that's you guys. My dad's tablet. You finally get to see what you actually look like on camera. Yes, it does. Let me get this case off first. That's it.